we recall the formulas, that is Fourier series of f of x in minus L comma plus L, that is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L, where a naught is 1 by L integral minus L to plus L f of x dx, an is 1 by L integral minus L to plus L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx, bn is 1 by L integral minus L to plus L f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx. Next, f of x in 0 comma 2L, here also f of x is same a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus n from 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L, where a naught is 1 by L 0 to 2L f of x into dx, an is 1 by L 0 to 2L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx, bn is 1 by L integral 0 to 2L f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx. So every problem we check the given function f of x is even or odd. If it is even, by using the definition of property of definite integral, if it is even we find only a naught and an, if it is odd we find only bn. So now we are going to discuss in the problems. Obtain the Fourier series of f of x is equal to mod x in minus L comma plus L, hence deduce that 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus etc. pi square by 8. Solution. First we check f of x is even or odd. That is, you recall the condition for checking the given function is even or odd, you just replace x by minus x, that is f of minus x is equal to minus mod x is equal to mod x, because absolute value it involves plus for positive side, minus for negative side. So absolute means we take mod x, we already discussed in previous problems. Therefore f of minus x is equal to f of x. Therefore f of x is even. obviously Bn is 0. Bn is 0. Formula for a naught after checking the given function is even by using the definition of property of integral, definite integral, that is 2 times denominator 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x dx, that is equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L. The given function f of x is mod x. You take mod x is, here we take plus x, that is we use positive x, we write x into dx. X, because 0 to L is positive side, we consider only plus x, that is equal to 2 by L integration of x is x square by 2 0 to L. 2 to cancel, 1 by L common, x square 0 to L. 1 by L, apply upper limit first, L square minus 0. So LL cancel, A naught is L. We want A naught by 2 is L by 2. Next, after finding A naught, next we go for finding An. 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x is x into cos n pi x by L into dx. An is equal to 2 by L. So you apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts, because here two functions are there, first function, second function. You write first function, integration of cos is sin n pi x by L divided by n pi by L minus derivative of x is 1. Next, integral of sin is minus cos n pi x by L divided by n square pi square by L square. Next term will be 0 because derivative of 1 is 0. 0 to L. An is equal to, see, you apply upper limit or lower limit for sin term. Here you apply L for x, LL cancel, sin n pi is 0, you apply 0, sin 0 0, so this term is 0. 2 by L common, here minus into minus plus, inside L square by n square pi square common, cos n pi minus into minus plus cos n pi x by L 0 to L. An is 2 by L. Here you write one more step, L square by n square pi square. Apply L for x, LL cancel, cos n pi. Apply 0, cos 0 is 1, that is equal to LL cancel, 2L by n square pi square, cos n pi is minus 1 power n minus 1. So this is the required An. For series deduction you write one more step, here you put minus 2L n square pi square 1 minus 1 power n. Why I am writing like this? Because we have the value of 1 minus of minus 1 power n is equal to 2 if n is odd, that is why. Otherwise you write up to this step, no problem. So after finding A naught An, you construct f of x. Therefore f of x is A naught by 2 is L by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity. An is minus 2L by n square pi square into 1 minus of minus 1 power n into cos n pi x by L. So this is the required Fourier series. Next we go for finding the series by considering this. You call equation number 1. Now series deduction by putting by putting x is equal to 0 in 1. I already told every problem first we can try put x equal to 0 in every problem. You will get the required. Some one or two problems will not get the series by putting x equal to 0. That is f of 0 is equal to L by 2 plus n from 1 to infinity minus 12 by n square pi square 1 minus 1 power n into cos 0 is 1. To cos 0 is 1. The given function f of x is mod x, that is x. You apply x equal to 0, the left hand side equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to 0. L by 2 plus, here we put minus 2L by n square pi square summation n from 1, 3, 5 etc. Here you write 1 by n square. We have the value for 1 minus of minus 1 power n is 2, that is 2. If n is odd, 1, 3, 5 etc. That is minus L by 2 is equal to minus 2L by pi square. We can take 2 outside, 2 summation n from 1 to infinity 1 by n square 1, 3, 5 etc. to infinity. Minus minus cancel, that is equal to one by 2 minus 1 by pi square minus 1 by pi square. Here 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, here 2 into 2 4, so 2, we put here 4 because here 2 is there, summation n from 1, 3, 5 etc. to infinity 1 by n square. Here minus minus cancel, that is pi square by 8. You apply n is equal to 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square plus etc. So this is the required series deduction. Got it? So second problem, obtain Fourier series of f of x is x minus x square in minus 1 less than x less than 1. Solution. First we check f of x is even or odd. Even or odd. Solution. First we check the given function f of x, replacing x by minus x, that is f of minus x is equal to minus x whole square minus x square. So in this particular problem, after replacing x by minus x, you will get minus x square. So therefore f of x is neither odd nor even, because we have the condition for even f of minus x is equal to f of x, odd f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So this minus x square is not satisfies both even or odd. That is why f of x is neither odd nor even. That means what? In this case, we find all a naught, a n, b n. We find all a naught, a n, b n by using the formula. By using the formula, a naught is 1 by L integral minus L to plus L f of x dx. Here L is 1. You just compare the limits. L is 1. Or a naught is 1 by 1 integral minus 1 to plus 1 f of x is x minus x square into dx. That is, a naught is integration of x minus x square is x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 minus 1 to plus 1. Inside 1 by 2 you apply 1 whole square minus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square. Next 1 by 3 1 cube minus 1 cube. You write all the steps. 1 square is 1 minus 1 whole square is 1 minus 1 by 3 1 cube. 1 cube is 1 minus into minus plus 1. So this term 0. This term 0 minus 2 by 3. So a naught is minus 2 by 3. A naught by 2 is minus 1 by 3. Got it? So next problem. Next we find an. An is 1 by L integral minus L to plus L minus L to plus L. An is 1 by L minus L to plus L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. An is L is 1 minus 1 to plus 1. F of x is x minus x square into cos n pi x by L into dx. So here two functions. You apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. X minus x square integration of cos is sin n pi x by L by n pi by L minus derivative of x minus x square is 1 minus 2x into sin integration of sin is minus cos n pi x by L by n square pi square by L square plus derivative of 1 minus 2x is minus 2. Integration of cos is sin n pi x by L divided by n cube pi cube L cube. You apply the limit minus 1 to plus 1. You apply 1 or minus 1, you will get sin n pi by L is here, L is 1 L equal to 1. You write one more step. X minus x square sin n pi x by 1 divided by n pi by 1 1 minus 2x minus cos n pi x by 1 by n square pi square plus minus 2 minus sin n pi x by 1 by n cube pi cube by 1 minus 1 to plus 1. So here sin term 0, when we are applying 1 or minus 1, an is minus 1 minus 2x into minus into minus plus cos n pi x by n square pi square minus 1 to plus 1, that is equal to an is equal to 1 by, see here 1 by n square pi square common, 1 minus 2x into cos n pi x minus 1 to plus 1. an is 1 by n square pi square common, apply limit 1, see here you apply 1 for x, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 into cos n pi minus, apply minus 1 to here, 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 2 3 cos of minus n pi, cos of minus n pi. an is 1 by n square pi square common, 1 by n square pi square common, here minus 1 cos n pi minus 3 cos of, you write one more step, cos n pi minus 3 cos n pi, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. an is 1 by n square pi square common, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 cos n pi, cos n pi, that is equal to 1 by n square pi square minus 4 common minus 1 power n. So this is the required an. bn, now we go for finding bn. bn is 1 by 1 minus 1 to 1, f of x is x minus x square into sin n pi x by l is 1 into dx. bn is here also two functions, integration by parts, Bernoulli's rule, that is x minus x square, integral of sin is minus cos n pi x by n pi minus 1 minus 2x, integral of cos is sin n pi x by n square pi square plus, here minus, next plus, derivative of 1 minus 2x is minus 2, integral of sin is minus into minus plus cos n pi x by n cube pi cube, n cube pi cube. bn is, you apply the limit minus 1 to plus 1. So here also sin term 0. Here inside minus 1 by n pi, x minus x square into cos n pi x minus 1 to plus 1. Here minus 2 by n cube pi cube cos n pi x minus 1 to plus 1. Bn is minus 1 by n pi. Apply 1 for x, 0 between minus is there. Apply minus 1 for x, minus 1 whole square into cos n pi minus 2 by n cube pi cube cos n pi minus cos n pi. Here Bn is minus 1 by n pi common, minus 1 cos n pi minus 2 by n cube pi cube into 0. Bn is minus 1 by n pi common, minus of minus 2 cos n pi. Bn is minus 2 by n pi minus 1 power n. So this is the required. You write one more step. 2 by n pi minus 1 power, here minus is there, plus 1 is the required Bn. After finding a0, an, bn, we construct f of x. X minus x square is equal to a0 by 2 is minus 1 by 3 plus summation n from 1 to infinity. An is 4 times minus 1 power n plus 1 n square pi square cos n pi x by L. L is 1 plus summation n from 1 to infinity. Bn is minus 2 by n pi minus 1 power n plus 1. So this is the required Fourier series of the given function f of x is x minus x square. Next we are moving to the next problem. Important. Obtain the Fourier series of the function f of x is 1 plus 4x by 3 in minus 3 by 2 less than x less than or equal to 0. 1 minus 4x by 3 in 0 less than or equal to x less than 3 by 2. Hence deduce that pi square by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square plus etc. Solution. Here the given function is minus L to plus L, where L is 3 by 2. L is 3 by 2. We check f of x is even or odd. That is, we have the condition for checking the given function is even or odd. We denote 1 plus 4x by 3. We already discussed. We denote phi of x. 1 minus 4x by 3 is the xi of x. The condition for even, that is phi of minus x is equal to xi of x. We confirm the given f of x is even. That means what? We replace x by minus x here also. That is phi of x is 1 plus phi of x is 1 plus 4x by 3. You replace x by minus x, that is 1 minus 4x by 3. You observe 1 minus 4x by 3 is xi of x, that is xi of x. So it satisfies this condition. Therefore f of x is even. Obviously Bn is 0. A naught. After checking the given function is even, by using the property of definite integral, we write the formula, that is 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x into dx, where L is 3 by 2, integral 0 to 3 by 2. You observe for 0 to 3 by 2 we select only this, that is 1 minus 4x by 3 into dx, that is equal to 4 by 3 integral 0 to 3 by 2 1 minus 4x by 3 into dx. Next step, a naught is 4 by 3, integral of 1 is x minus 4x square by 2 into 3, the integration of x is x square by 2, 4 by 3 common constant, 0 to 3 by 2. A naught is equal to 4 by 3, x minus 2x square by 3, 0 to 3 by 2. You write one more step, 4 by 3 outside, apply 3 by 2 for x, minus 0, 2 by 3 common, you apply 3 by 2 for x square, 9 by 4 minus 0, 4 by 3, 3 by 2, 3 3s are 2 2s are 3 by 2. So you will get a naught is 0. A naught is 0. Next we find an. Formula for finding an, 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. Here where L is 2 by 3, integral 0 to 2 by 3, f of x is 1 minus 4x by 3 into cos n pi x by L is 2 by 3 into dx. An is where L is 3 by 2, not 2 by 3, 3 by 2. That is 4 by 3 times integral 3 by 2 1 minus 4x by 3 into cos n pi x by 3 by 2 into dx. Here we have two functions, 1 minus 4x is first function, cos n pi x by 3 by 2 is second function. For convenient integration you write one more step, 0 to 3 by 2 1 minus 4x by 3 into cos 2n pi x by 3. Convenient, I can write like this dx. Next step, an is 4 by 3 common. You apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. First function is 1 minus 4x by 3. Integration of second function is sin 2n pi x by 3 by 2n pi by 3 minus derivative of 1 minus 4x by 3 is minus 4 by 3. Integral of sin is minus cos 2n pi x by 3 divided by 4n square pi square by 9. So next term will be 0 because the derivative of minus 4 by 3 is 0. Apply the limit 0 to 3 by 2. That is equal to. So here we apply 3 by 2 or 0 for sin term is 0 because here 2 by 3 is there. You apply 3 by 2. 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 is 1. So you will get sin n pi. You know sin n pi is 0 and sin 0 is also 0. So sin term is 0. an outside 4 by 3 common. Here minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus 4 by 3 into 9 by 4 n square pi square into cos 2n pi x by 3. Apply the limit 0 to 3 by 2. an is here 4 4 cancel, 9 9 cancel, minus 4 by n square pi square outside common. Here you apply 3 by 2 for cos term, that is cos n pi. You apply 0, cos 0 is 1. Minus 4 by n square pi square. Cos n pi is minus 1 power n minus 1, that is equal to minus, here minus is there, you write one more step, n square pi square. Here you plus 1 minus of minus 1 power n. Why I am writing like this? Because we have the value for 1 minus of minus 1 power n is 2 if n is odd, that is why. So otherwise this is the final result for an. So next we go for finding the series deduction. We construct f of x by using a naught an. A naught is 0, that is 0 plus summation n from 1 to infinity. An is 4 by n square pi square, n square pi square. An 4 by n square pi square, 1 minus minus 1 power n into cos n pi x. N pi x by L is 3 by 2. So you call equation number 1. Put x equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 1. You apply 0 for the given function. F of x is equal to 1 minus 4x by 3. That is 1 is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity 4 by n square pi square into 1 minus of minus 1 power n. Cos 0 is 1. 1 equal to 4 by n square pi square common. N is equal to 1, you know, 1, 3, 5, etc. The value of 1 minus of minus 1 power n is 2. That is 8 by pi square summation n from 135 to infinity 1 by n square. You write to n square here. So pi square by 8 equal to, you apply 135, 1, 3, 5, etc. So this is the required series deduction. So I will continue in next class.